Alright, co-rollers, so I'm pretty much recovered from the procedure I had, and it's time to lay some fiberglass on that bumper. Let's get started. So as you guys were able to see, I went ahead and pre-cut all the material that we'll be needing to do the bumper. And I also wanted to show you guys, as you can see, I got a bunch of paper clips in this area here, all the way through. Now the reason for that is that we have to make a flange that falls basically at a 90-degree angle, and then it's actually upside down, the top area of the flange. So by placing some paper clips, which is a little trick of mine, that holds it in place so it doesn't fall down whenever you're applying the resin. You know, once it gets wet with the resin, it gets heavier, so it tends to draw down. But yeah, just a little heads up so you guys know exactly what I'm doing when it comes to that area there. All right, so let's get started. Alright, boys and girls, so we finally got the bumper done. As you guys were able to see, I went ahead and started laying down some fiberglass, and everything is all nice and done now. However, as you guys can see here, I do have a couple props, somewhat of unorthodox, because they're not really a regular prop. They're just pieces of metal, pieces of, you know, scrap stuff that I have just to hold the under part of the fiberglass for the bumper. That way it doesn't sag back up, even though we are going to cut right at the line where the bumper itself finishes, you know, right there. That's where we're going to cut the mold. That way we keep it a little bit lighter, less material to go down there. But yeah, everything came out pretty good. I guess I'm going to call it a day with this one, and I'll see you inside. All right, co-rollers, so we're back inside, all cleaned up, feeling good. As you guys know, we went ahead and worked on the bumper today. We went and applied all the stuff we needed to do, as well as we laid down the fiberglass. I know you guys have been waiting for that bumper to be done, and finally we got it done. But as you guys know, now that thing has to cure. Possibly for the next video, I'll cut the edges on it or something like that, just clean it up. But I personally like to let the molds cure for a while, so that way everything is good and nice and settled, and it always ends up tight, because fiberglass tends to shrink a little bit, so I like to leave it on the mold. That way, the shrinking is limited by the piece, the part itself, or as we call it, the die. But yeah, we got some progress done. I'm really stoked about that. I hope you guys are too. A special hello to everybody out there who has been subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. We're getting beautiful numbers on the subscribers. I think we're up to 736 or so, and that definitely makes me very, very happy. I'm blessed to have you all here and watching our videos. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for tonight. I am quite tired, to be honest, and as you guys see, it's already nighttime. We've been working on the truck there for a while, but I got some stuff to do, so I'm gonna cut it short for today. I love you guys. Thank you so much once again. Follow us on social media, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so and click that little bell, so that way you're notified every time one of our videos comes out. So let the coal roll.